Hi, it's Stephen Vincent. Today is Thursday, March 24th, 2011. This is a Bull Bear Market Report video update for Bull Bear Traders members. And as you can see, we have a very important breakout above resistance today, getting above the 20 and 50-day moving average. We're looking at the S&P 500 futures contract here, getting above the 20 and the 50-day moving average, the A-wave low of this ABC zigzag correction and the minor 3 high. So we had the pretty significant resistance level, a few days of consolidation. So we had a 1 up, minor 2 down. Now we're working on a 3 of this wave 5 up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now making 5 off of the July low. And let's go ahead and look at, so here's the larger picture: major 1 up, major 2 down, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nice perfect parallel trend channel. So I really nailed the entry. I mean, I pretty much called the bottom tick, and we got in down here at the very bottom of 4 on this panic low, and looks like we're heading up now. Now wave 5s are a little bit hard to predict. You know, anything can happen. It could be a very weak 5 and not even get up to here. The way it started off, my tendency is to think we're going to have a pretty decent run on this 5, and maybe make it up possibly to the upper rail here of this trend channel before it fails and we get the first wave of this number 3 up out of the way. Now, that's the question: is this going to be one of a much larger 3, or is that the entire wave 3? And we don't really know for sure yet whether that will be just a 1 of 3 up. The wave itself isn't at this point as large as wave 1, which is a little bit unusual. Usually you're going to see 3 be a lot bigger than 1. So this could be just 1 of 3 up, potentially, and we don't know that yet, though. So we also see that the NASDAQ 100 has broken above its moving average cluster resistance as well, which is really important because it's kind of been lagging lately, and we want to start to see that NASDAQ really pick up, and it is up 1.6% today versus the S&P 500 up about 0.75%, so about double the move in the S&P 500. That's good. We want to see that. Pretty much everything across the board up today. Very important is the move in India, and pulling up the INDY Indy ETF. See a nice break above resistance again, moving average resistance, the 200, the 50, and the 20-day moving average resistance. We took them all out, and above this looks like basically a bottoming formation. So very important, because if there was any market that was threatening to turn into a bear market, it was India. I've been emphasizing emerging markets as really the place to be right now. Emerging markets and BRIC, and we're going to look at the EEM, and we can see that we've broken above another key resistance level here on EEM, and getting ready to really break out of a very long flag pattern that's been going on since November of 2010 with the ABC correction. And this is actually probably a triangle. A, B, C, D, E is probably what this really is. So it's just a big triangle, and this is really the first move out. We should break above and then come back and maybe do a little retest of the breakout for your wave 2 down. If you haven't gotten in, I mean, any time is good to buy in this, because this is probably going to just run. But we did identify an excellent buying opportunity down in here when we called this. So let's go to the. That's pretty much all the time we have actually for now. But if you're watching this later, you can join us at the bullbear.com, and join the Bull Bear Traders room to get access to all of these updates as they are published.